What's up, guys? So everybody's been asking, in the Barletta packets here, there's two straps. Okay, when you pull these out, there's two straps. We're gonna do a part one and a part two of what these are and what they're for. Okay, so here's one here and it's got some snaps on it. That's gonna be part two. Part one is these long straps right here. They come rubber band. Look at this. Barletta goes out of their way to make sure that everybody's protected and safe. The first part is going to be this long strap right here. So they come up with these straps to keep this tied down. You could use, ratchet straps, you could use ropes, whatever, but Barletta created these just for you guys. They go out of their way to make sure that you guys are taken care of out on the road. So I'm going to use a partner just so it's quicker for the video. So on the strap, you'll see a loop end. This loop end is going to go right through here. You're going to make this a full length, okay? Then the female end is going to go through the loop, but keep it high so it's all the way extended. Then you can see these rubber deals here. That's going to go around your bimini to keep it protected. You want to have it at an angle, and then you're going to come down, and this is going to click in here, like so. And then you use this to tighten it up.
Cinch it straight upwards.
Cinch it straight upwards.
You want that nice and tight.
This is part two. So there's another strap that comes in your packet when you buy a new Barletta. It's got the snaps right here, and then there's a loop on the other end. Let me show you what this is for. So you got a quick release here that goes right in. You're gonna take your snaps and go around it, and then snap it in like so. So that's snapped in. Then you're going to take your strap, go through your fender, and then bring this back through the loop, like so. And then bring that, tighten that on. Put your fender, obviously we do this in the water. Put your fender, clip it on, and then you can adjust your height with your strap, just like so. And then when you're done, all you're gonna do is lift up, quick release, this is already connected, you put it in your boat. And then when you wanna put it back on, just clip it right in. Every time, you're good to go.